In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove staff accounts and permissions in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite team members, give them the right level of access, secure their logins, and remove access cleanly when someone no longer needs it. First, head to shopify.com and sign in to your store's admin. You'll need to be the store owner or have permission to manage staff. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where all store-level controls live, including user management. Inside Settings, open Users and Permissions. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your store. To add someone new, choose Add User or Add Staff. You're creating an invitation, so the person won't have access until they accept it. Enter the staff member's work email address carefully, since the invite is tied to this email. You can optionally include a short message to explain why they're being added and what to expect. Next, assign a role. Roles define what the person can do in your store. If you have preset roles, pick the one that best matches their responsibilities, like customer support, fulfillment, or marketing. If you prefer finer control, review the available permissions and make sure you're granting only what's necessary. A good rule of thumb is least privilege, enough access to do the job and nothing extra. For security, require two-step authentication for this user. Enabling two-step authentication adds a verification step when they sign in, protecting your store from compromised passwords. If they're new to this, let them know they'll set it up the first time they log in. When everything looks right, click Save to send the invitation. The user will receive an email with a secure link to accept, create their login, and complete two-step authentication if required. If they don't see the email, ask them to check spam or resend the invite from the same page. You can also remove users from the Users and Permissions page. Find the person you want to remove, open their profile, and select Remove or Deactivate Access. Confirm your choice, and Shopify will revoke their permissions immediately. Before you do this, consider whether they own any key responsibilities like app connections or active drafts, and reassign those as needed. If you're changing store ownership or removing an owner, follow Shopify's transfer flow first. That's it. Keep your team list tidy, review permissions regularly, and enforce two-step authentication to keep your store secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you work through your own store.